Traditional 10-minute digestive exercises. 1. Strengthen the kidneys. Follow the music. Move at your own pace. Stay relaxed and keep moving. A gentle routine for your core and digestion. 2. Calm the mind and massage the belly. Massage your belly clockwise. Continue for about 30 seconds. Then massage in the opposite direction. Use the base of your palms with gentle pressure. 3. Toe taps and rib taps. Make loose fists. Gently tap along both sides of your ribs. Tap your toes from side to side. Breathe out slowly and relax. 4. Arm swings and twists. Swing your arms from side to side. Let your upper body gently rotate. Open up your midsection. Relax and keep the movement flowing. 5. Squats and overhead claps. Stand with your feet slightly wider apart. Squat down at a comfortable depth. Raise your arms and clap overhead. Feel your legs and inner thighs engage. 6. Alternating knee raises. Stack your hands in front of you. Lift one knee to meet your hands. Alternate from side to side. Keep your core gently engaged. 7. Side knee raises and elbow reaches. Place your hands behind your head. Open your elbows wide. Lift each knee out to the side. Feel your waist and obliques working. 8. Arm swings and forward toe taps. Swing your arms up and down. Tap one foot forward, then switch to the other foot. Move smoothly and stay relaxed. 9. Chest openers and back kicks. Open your chest as you swing your arms back. Keep a slight bend in your knees. Alternate gentle back kicks. Engage your glutes and legs. 10. Forward and back arm swings. Swing your arms forward and back. Use a comfortable range of motion. Keep your core gently engaged. Relax and stretch your whole body.